We are pleased to show you the 2024 Outlander. A versatile crossover with power to spare, Outlander boasts an upgraded level of interior comfort and advanced technological features to give you control over every element of your drive. With super all-wheel control and a 5-star frontal and side impact crash test rating, peace of mind comes standard. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.